This short video demonstrates Gnat UK's Aquajet ERGO Hydrodemolition System, removing castable refractory within a biomass boiler furnace. We routinely remove defective castable refractory within large-scale kilns and boiler furnaces. Traditionally, this procedure involved operators using high-pressure hand lances, or jackhammers. Being handheld, these procedures were potentially hazardous and time-consuming. By way of contrast, our Aquajet ERGO systems are remotely operated. Designed to be mounted on standard scaffolding rigs, they accurately and safely remove the refractory, whilst delivering up to 4 times the power of a hand lance. The system is highly flexible and can be moved easily around the work area to operate safely in the most confined of spaces. This innovative hydrodemolition procedure quickly and cost-effectively removes the castable refractory, leaving the boiler casing and steel twigs exposed, prepared, and ready to receive new refractory as required. Gnat UK offer a nationwide service specializing in hydrodemolition, diamond drilling and soaring, cold cutting and Brock and Husqvarna robotic demolition. Call us today for more information on 01748 826 046. Thanks for watching.